Right. Now it is a time to see, to move forward. To move forward. Okay. So let us discuss the continuation part of it. What was our last class discussion? Can you confirm? I forget. Can you confirm, my dear students, all of you? Yes. Operations on set. Operations on what? Set. Operations on set. We need to go for set related data types. Operations on additional operations on set. We need to go for additional operations on set. So one function I was already completed. One function I was already completed. Clear function also completed. Clear function also completed. Copy function also completed. Now I want to go for what? Remove function I want to discuss. Remove function I want to discuss. Yeah. So let us go to the remove function, which is easy and you can understand also. Let us take the copy operation here. Let us go to the command prompt. Let us go to the command prompt. Python command prompt. So I'm taking Python command prompt. Yeah. So there I'm taking one set. Come on, ma, set right all of you. Yeah, good evening, ma. Good evening. Please set right quickly. Yeah. There, let us take the scenario S is equal to S1 is equal to, now I'm taking 10 comma row sum. Now I'm taking the values called what 23.45, 23.45. Now I'm taking another discussion here, 23.45. Next I'm saying true, I'm taking, and next I'm taking Python. This is the values we have. Okay, print of S1. Print of what? S1. So we are having something like this. This is the data what we have. True Python 23.55, row sum, and then 10. This is the values what we have. Fine. Now it is a time to see to go for removing. What is that? S1 dot, already remove off. Now I am saying here row sum. Look at that, row sum. So I am taking row sum. I want to remove row sum. Or I want to remove Python. First I want to remove Python. Some value I want to remove. Yes, remove. Print off S1. So it is going to give you true 23.45, row sum, and then 10. So Python is removed. Next I will remove one more value. I will remove. See that S1 dot remove of Python. Do you have the Python in S1 now? In this now, see, after removing, do you have Python in S1? Quickly, ma, everybody. Come on, active. No, we don't have any type of Python in S1. We don't have any value called S1. Remove of Python, which is not there. So you are going to get error. What is that error? Key error. Python is not there. So key error. Earlier it was value error. It was not there. Now it is called what? Key error. Because every element of set is called one unique value. That is called key error. Now, dear student, once again you want to remove? You can remove. So you want to remove the value called what? 23.45. You can remove. Yes, print of S1. Removed. It is removed. That value is removed. So remove function is used for removing the value from the set. So I'm giving example here. Examples. Look at that. So try to understand very clearly, ma. Print of S1. Now see that print of removed. Python is removed. Remove of Python, which was not there. So you are getting error. Python error. Key error. Remove of this and 23.45. It was removed. So remove function is completed. Now coming to the point of it, right? Done. Now I'm going to say this function is used for removing what? the specified element from where? Specified element from set object. This function is used for removing the specified element from set object. If the specified element does not exist, if the specified element does not exist, then we get what error? Key error. This is an important wording. Syntax I am going to talk. What is that now? Set to obj dot remove of what is it? Element. If the element is there, it is removed. Otherwise, we get the key error. Now, example is like this. Is the remove function is clear? How do you remove an element? By using which function? Remove function. Dear students, be careful. Next, I will go for one more function called discard function. Discard function I am going for. Right, ma? Fifth point I am going to talk about it. Discard function. Look at that. Discard function I am going to talk. So discard function is almost similar to what? Remove function. Something is different. Discard is also used for what? Removing the element only. Let us observe it again. Discard. Let us go to back. Rebuild your application. Rebuild. S1 is equal to print of S1. Okay, wonderful. S1 is equal to 10 rosum 23.45 true comma Python. Okay. Now S1 dot discard of Python. Since it was there, it is removed. Print of S1 value printed. Again, discard of Python, which was not there. Discard is not going to remove that value if it is not present. Remove function is giving you what? Error. What is that error? Error is going to come. Key error is going to come. Here, key error will not come. At all. So, discard function, you print the test, nothing is there, not removed anything. So, once again, I am saying that discard of 23.45, since it is there, removed. Print that S1, 23.45 removed. Now you say something like Java, which was not there. No error will come. Since it is not there, no error will come. So discard function is used for, let us take this kind of thing. I am taking examples here. I am taking. What are the examples here? Look at print of S1. So you are getting the result. Print of S1, getting the result. Print of this S1. Yes. Print of this S1, having the result. Discard. See carefully. Here I am writing. This function is used for, this function is used for removing the specified element. Same, used for removing the specified element. That's it. Nothing, no error, nothing is coming. If the element is found, used for removing the specified element from set object. Otherwise means what? Otherwise, it will not be removed. It will not be removed. Removed in the sense not at all there. Why? What is the need of removing and all? Just I am specifying that. What is the syntax here? Set obj dot remove of what is it? Element. Yes, done. Example part is mentioned. Yes, sir, done. Is a discard function is clear, ma? All of you? Come on, dear students, quickly. Is the discard function is clear? Yes. Next, I am going to talk about discard function is over. Now, pop function I am using. Pop function I am using. Next function is called, sixth one is called POP, pop function I am using. So, right. So pop function, I am going to write it. What is the pop function here? Syntax, okay, discard ma, okay, thank you ma, thank you for your correction. Yeah, discard, not remove. Removed, that is called what? Set obj dot discard of element. Discard of element. Okay, pop function. So we applied pop function. See, without parameter. In the case of list, pop function used to remove which element? Pop function used to remove which element? Which element? Last element. Nitin, correct ma. Nitin, correct. Good. You are remembering. Only Nitin is remembering out of these many hundreds of students. Last element. When I applied pop function in where list object, it was removed last element. But in this pop function, I am writing this function is used for removing any arbitrary element. I am writing the word any arbitrary. This function is used for removing any arbitrary element. This function is used for removing any arbitrary element. So, any arbitrary element from set object. From non-empty set object, I will write that too. From non-empty set object. Non-empty set object. When we call, now I am going to ask you. This is a question which is coming. When we call pop function on non-empty set object. On which object? Empty set object. When we call pop function on empty set object, then we get what kind of error? We get which error? Key error. Which error? Key error. Which you get a key error. What are the syntaxes are? Look at that syntax. Set obj dot pop. That's it. No parameter, dear students. No parameter. Set obj dot pop, which is going to remove the arbitrary element. Not specified element. We can't specify the index and all because you already know set always displays the data in the never maintains insertion order. First of all, it won't maintain insertion order. So you cannot expect that in which order the element is going to be displayed. So any one of the element will be displayed provided non-empty. If it is an empty, if you call it, we get what? Key error. Let us test it. Rebuild that set object once again. Okay. Now I will say, now print, now I am going to say what? S1 dot POP. Which element is removed? We don't know. POP. True. POP. Again you call S1 dot POP. Python. S1 dot POP. 23.45. S1 dot POP. ROSM. S1 dot print S1 now. Print S1 once. Print S1. Print what? S1. Now you print S1 dot POP 10. Now print S1. Once. It is an empty. You are calling POP. It is called a key error. Pop from empty set, not possible. Are you understanding, ma? Are you understanding what I am talking? When we call pop function on empty set object, you will get what? Pop error. Now, sometimes they will ask you this type of question. See, all of you say carefully. Set off. This was the question recently. POP. What is an output? What is an output, please? POP dot yes, set off POP. What is an output, please? First of all, this is called what? Empty set. Dot what? POP. What is an error? Key error. It is called key error. POP from an empty set. Finally, This is the result we got it. So let us go back. Let us go back. See the examples. See the examples. Examples. I'm going to take these examples. Let us watch this. POP. We are going to get the result. POP. This is the result we got it. POP. Right? We got the result. So got the result. So any arbitrary element, and don't think that in certain order the elements are going to be displayed. Any arbitrary. On the empty set we are calling this. On the empty set we are calling this. So on this empty set we are calling. Fine. So because of this, so see carefully, key error. On the top of it you are calling the same. You are going to get this type of result. Key error is coming. So discard function, pop function is also over. Now I am going to enter. Is a subset. Now set related operations you are going to perform. Set related operations we are going to perform. Set related operations. We are going to get it. Yeah. Another one is a subset. Is subset. We are going to talk about the is a subset. Come on to the point of it. Come on to the point of it. Now I am having, let us take one small presentation diagram. Let us look at that, dear students. S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. S2 is equal to 20, 30, 40, 50. 30, 40, 50. S3 is equal to 10, 20, 60. 10, 20, 60. 10, 20, 60. Now let us take this discussion here. Now, very easy, not a difficult for you. Go to this environment. Go to this environment here. Not only numerics, you can take any of it. S2 also you try to take it. S2 also you try to take it. S2 also you try to take it. Yes, S2 also. S3 also you try to take it. S3 also you try to take it. Yes, S3 also you try to take it. Okay. Print of S1, S2, S3. Print of S1, S1. Print of S2, print of S2. Print of S3, print of S3. Done. Now I am asking, in S1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And 30 says to use it. 30, 40, 50. 30, 40, 50 is a part of S1 only. S2 is a part of S1 only. Now tell me, is S2 is a subset of S1? Everybody, S2 is a subset of S1. What is a subset? Every element of subset is a part of the superset. Every element of S2 is a part of S1. So S2 is called a subset. Now observe S3. 10 and 20, 10 and 20, 60. 60 is not a part of S1. So yes, is S3 is a subset of S1? No. Check it out. What is my function? S2 dot is a subset. Is a subset of what? S1. S2 dot is a subset of S1. S2 dot is a subset of S1. Returns what? You can easily decide. I don't tell anything because you have seen so many functions from me. Yes, it is called true. Beautiful, true. Yes, next. S3 dot subset of S1. Come on, please. False. Super. Enough. Now I am asking one question. See, my dear students, it is one of the interview based question. Yes, set of 1 minute, Look at that. Vipin, you cannot, you cannot. How can you undo? Undo the operations is not possible in the programming language of like this because it is not a database operations. Vipin, in the database operations, we can do the operation called rollback. This is the library. Once it is removed permanently, we cannot get back those elements because it is not a data processing tool. It is not a back office tool. It is not an MS Word. It is not a database. Okay, set of, all of you try to understand, is a subset of what? S3, S1. Come on. What is this? What is this set? Empty set. Empty set. Empty set is a subset of this S1. Every empty set is a subset of any superset. True na false? Yes, ever basic level. It is called a true. It is called a true. Fine. One more question I will ask. S1 dot subset of S1. Every set is a subset to itself. Every set is a subset to itself, because these are the very, very, very important things. True. Are you getting my students? So this is the is a subset. Now I'm going to use. Yes. Examples. Examples. What is this? Examples you see here. I will write. Why I'm giving example? First you get the clarity on it. S2. S2 there is a clarity on it. Then S3 there is a clarity on it. Then E is a subset, true. Next, E is a subset, it's a true. E is a subset, true. Here also called what? Like this. Here also we got the result. We got the result. Now tell me, E is a subset we have like this. Now syntax I will write. First I will write the syntax here. What is that? Set to obj2. Set to obj2 is a subset. Is a subset. Is a subset of set to obj1. obj1. Set to obj2 dot is a subset of set to obj1. Yes, now I am writing this function returns true provided all the elements of set obj2 are present in set obj1. Set obj1. This function returns true provided all the elements of set obj2 are present in set obj1. Otherwise, come on to the point. Otherwise, this function returns what? False. Now I will write some more points. Every empty set is a subset to itself and universal set. This is a basic level of mathematics in our childhood days. Universal set. Do you know universal set? Every non-empty set is one set. Every subset is a subset to universal set. Am I correct? Every non-empty, one more point I will write it. Every non-empty set is a subset to itself. Right? Done. Examples as done. This is the important points I mentioned. Please try to take care about this. Examples as done. Dear students, are you okay with this? Are you understanding this is subset? Fine. Next, I will move forward. I will move just forward. What is the next one? Is a superset. Is subset is over. Now, be careful, ma. Is a subset. Is a superset. Just opposite. Is just opposite. So let us go for function number 8. Function number 8. Right? Look at that. Because in my libraries, in my functions programming, if this is coming, we should do like anything. Is a subset, is a superset. What is the syntax? See, I will carry this syntax. No problem. Set object 1. Now just using this scenario, right? Now this function returns true. Provided set obj1 contains all the elements of set obj2. Best example. Your parent is a subset. Your parent is a superset of you, because you are kid one, kid two. All you are called a subset of your parent. So I'm saying opposite. Your parent is a subset, is a superset. Here I will write superset of what? Set obj2. This function returns true provided set obj contains all the elements of set obj2. Every set is a superset to itself. Every set, every non-empty set, I will write here. Every non-empty set is a superset, is a superset to itself. Every non-empty set is a superset to itself. Every non-empty set is a superset to non-empty set, empty set. Right? I am writing, no confusion. Every non-empty set is a superset to empty set. Empty set is a empty set. Are you understanding? Is these points are clear, ma? Please, what is this? Yeah. Come on to the point, guys, all of you. Is it clear for these points? Come on, this is today is a slow process. People are giving a slow response. Maybe participated in Ganesh immersion in Hyderabad and other places. No, na? Right? Come on, quick response. Right? Good. Let me go to the example part. My example part I want to show you. What is an example part? Let us rebuild the S1, S2. Let us rebuild the S1, S2. Yes, S3. Come on to the point here. I will take S1 is superset of what? S2 true. S1 is a superset of S3. Is S1 is a superset of S3? Is S1 contains all the elements of S3? No. So it is going to be called as what? False. False. Okay. Now I will write S1 is a superset to itself. S1 is a superset to itself. S1 is a superset to itself. Yes, true. S1 is a superset to what you see? Set of. Yes, set of. What is this set is called? What is this set is called, please? Empty set. What is this is going to be? True. True. See once again, empty set is a superset. This type of technical questions are most important. So you see, set. These are most important because this type of little twisting questions will come in front of you. It is called true. Every set is superset to itself. Every set is a subset to itself. And the relation also I just established. I hope you are understanding this mechanism. So coming to the point of it, examples I am covering. Yes, please look at that. S1 and this, look at that. S1 and this is comes under this. And this is a part of this place. Yes. So got it. Next. This is about superset. We got it. So anything we learn its perfection. Right. Next I am going to talk about is a superset is over. Next I am talking about is a disjoint. I am talking is a disjoint. Disjoint. What is a joint and a disjoint? Joint means what? Combined elements. See, 9th point I'm going to talk. Joint and disjoint. Joint and disjoint. Come on to the point back. There itself you come. No, fresh screen I am taking. No confusion. S1, S2, S3. S1, S2, S3. Come on to the point. S2 is S2, S3. S3 dot is disjoint of S1. S3 is disjoint of S1. Yes, disjoint means what? Is S3 disjoint? 10 is there? Yes, okay. 20 is there? Okay. 60 is there? No, it's a disjoint. Right? So, but what is that is called our mathematics related. But what is happening? S3 and S2 are disjoint sets. It is false. Now you see, some type of elements are common. Our mathematics is wrong or Python is wrong, we don't know. But we used to say in our mathematics something like that. Now you see, look at this. S3 dot disjoint. Some common elements are there in this place. At least one common element is there. That is not a disjoint. Combined family, combined family, combined family. Some extra element came. Some extra element came. Generally, a disjoint, false. One more you see. S2 dot, again you write S2 dot. Completely, all the elements of S2 are present in where? S1. Yes, false. Now I am going to say, dear students, carefully understand more. Now I am saying -1 comma, -1 comma, -2 comma, -3. -1 comma, -2 comma, -3. S4 dot, S4 dot, disjoint of completely different, completely different. Now, are there disjoint sets? Come on, everybody. Are they mono? Are they disjoint? Everybody, yes means true or false? Yes means true or false? Now you see true. That means all the elements are completely different. Don't think subset and superset. Come out, come out. Disjoint. No common, at least no, if at least one common element is there, at least one common element is there, that is called a disjoint. Come on, quickly. One more last and final example. Last and final example. S5 is equal to 10 comma 100 comma 200 comma 300. Be careful. S5 dot disjoint of S1. S5 dot disjoint. Come on, S5. At least one common element is there in S1 and S2. One common element. Some joint is there. Some joint. Joint means some common element. Yes. False. Are you understanding, ma? Are you understanding? Everybody? Excellent. So, I will just take out this element. I will just take out this element. Examples. Examples I am going to take. Examples I am going to take. So, S1, S3 dot disjoint of false. Yes, a disjoint of false. I am saying that. And this is going to be called a true. Yes. This also joint is there. Some joint is there. That means some common element is there. At least one common element is there. Then it returns common element is there. That is not joint. No common element, distinct elements, separate elements are there. That is called a disjoint. Joint sets are means what? Common elements. No common elements, they are called what? Disjoint. Common elements are there. Yes. Now I'm going to say syntax first you learn. Syntax. What is the syntax? Set obj2 dot disjoint. Is a disjoint. Is a disjoint. Is a disjoint of what? Set obj1. Yes, perfect. What is that now? This function returns true. This returns true, provided the elements of set obj2 and what? Set obj1 are completely different. Completely different. They're not joint. Completely different. Then only they are called a disjoint. This function returns true, false. True, this is called. This function return. Okay. This function returns false. When? False. Provided the elements of set obj1 and okay are completely different. Yes, ma, are completely different. Provided the elements of set obj1 and set obj provided returns false. At least provided, I will write provided at least one common element present in one common element present in set obj1 and set obj2. Set obj2. This function returns false provided at least one common element present in set obj1 and set obj2. I hope you are understanding. Here, no common elements. No common elements are not there. Common elements are not there. Are not there. Here, at least one common, at least, or I can write common elements are present. Common elements are present, ma. That's it. I hope I'm clear about my example. Yes, ma? Can I move forward? Come on, quickly. Because if you understand, say quickly so that I can move forward. Excellent. Now I'll go to what? Union operation, intersection operation. This I want to tell you more perfectly. Right? So disjoint operations and set operations and all those things. So done. Now I'm going for one small example. Now one small example I want to go for it. Let us go to the paint. S1 is equal to, now I am writing some students' names, I will write it. Some students' names. Right. What is that? First student is called what? Ravi, comma, Ramu, comma, Rahul. Are the tennis players, these are tennis players, TPL, tennis players, they are called tennis players. Now, these are called cricket players, CP, cricket players. Who are the cricket players here? Who are the cricket players here? Sachin, Kohli, something like, some name I will write it, Ramu. Okay, next, I will take, okay, enough. This is enough. Two players, this is information. And one more also I will write it, Raju. These are called what players? These are called the players. Now here I will write Sachin, comma what? Raju. These are the cricket players. Now what is the diagram? I will write Venn diagram also because I want to give you some clarity. Because in some of the written test point of it, they are giving Venn diagrams and they are asking to implement that Venn diagram. Because what mathematics we learned, we are using nowadays in our application developments. Because in data analysis, spot sets are very, very important. That's why we must be careful enough in understanding the subject, right? This is a subject of cricket players or tennis players. These are called TP set. This is what are the TP set people? TP. This is called TP. So TP, and next is called what? Cricket players are also there. Right now, cricket players are also there. Carefully try to understand, my dear students. Here, this is called what you know. This is what you know. CP, cricket players. Now I am writing here. CP. Now say here, I am saying, in this place, who are the players available? In this players, who are the people available? Who are the people here? Ramu. And next is called what? Next is called Ravi. First is called what? Ramu. Okay. Ravi. First is called what? Ravi. And next is called what you know? Rahul. Next is called what you know? What do you know? Ravi, Rahul. Okay. Next is called what are the people here? Sachin. Next is called what you know? Kohli. So these are the people. And there are some people who are playing common. Who are those? People? Raju as well as Ramu. This is called what? Try to understand me more perfectly here. What this is called? Intersection point. This is called. What is this is called? Intersection point. What is this? Intersection point I am saying. So let us see, this is called what you know. Okay, now this is not good. So I will take this one. And this is called cricket players or something like this type of this thing, right? Like this. This is my Venn diagram. This is my Venn diagram. From this Venn diagram, they are asking find. First question, find. 1 minute, ma'am. Find. What is that first question? First question, find all the players. All the players. All the players. How do you find all the players? How many people are there totally? How many people are there totally? 6 people, huh? 6 people are there. Perfect. But actually counting this CP and TP, both of them are 8. 8 are there actually. But there are 2 people are common. Which operation we need to write? Can anybody can tell? Can anybody can tell? Easy. Union function we need to apply. Which function? Find all the players. Union operation. Union operation. Excellent. Second one is called what? Find the players. Find the players who are playing both tennis and cricket. Who is this? Right? Who is that? Intersection. I will go for it. Intersection. I will go for it. Intersection area. This is the blue, yellow portion is called what? Intersection portion. Intersection portion. Third point I am going to apply. Third point I am going to apply. What is the third point? Find the players' names. Find the player names. Find the player names who are playing only tennis. So how do you write, ma? Example, I will write it. Minus you apply. Minus. What is that minus operation, ma? TP dot difference of CP. What are the elements cancel, ma? What are the elements cancel? TP is the first one. So Ravi cancel. Ravi is not there here. Ramu is there. Ramu cancel. Next is called Rahul is not there. Raju cancel. Remaining elements are what? Ramu, Rahul. Because we are using the first one is TP. TP minus CP. Suppose, now you see, one more I will write it. What is that? Third only, fourth point only, same wording I will give you. Fourth word I am giving you. Fourth difference, fourth one. Find the players. Here I will write find the players. Here I am writing find the players. 1 minute, ma. I'll change the color. Find the players. Who are playing only cricket. How do you find out that? CP dot difference of TP. Now you are finding difference of TP. Yes, difference of TP. CP minus difference. So left out elements in CP. Common elements are removing from CP to TP. And what is the first one? CP. CP elements are printed. So Sachin and Kohli will be coming. Are you getting? Is it understandable? These are the very, very important requirement, my dear students. Next, I will go for find the name of the players. Find the player names who are exclusively playing. Find the player names who are playing exclusively tennis and cricket. Find the player names who are exclusively playing tennis and cricket. Exclusively. No common player. Which one? You will apply this symmetric difference. How do you apply, my dear students? CP dot, whatever you, CP or TP, whatever it is. TP dot symmetric difference. symmetric underscore difference. Symmetric difference of what? CP. CP. Or we are, or what are we writing? What are we writing? CP dot symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of what? TP. Any one of it, you can use it. What is that? Common elements will be symmetric difference. How it will work out? How it will work out? Ravi. Any Ravi here? No. Ramu removed. Rahul is not there. Raju removed. Print the left out elements. 2 elements from the above, 2 elements from this place. It is just printed. That is called a symmetric difference. Are you getting, my dear students? Can you confirm, dear students, all of you? Yes, ma. Let us take the same requirement in the class. Let us take the same requirement. All at once I will show you. All at once I will show you. TP is equal to what I took it here. I took it Ravi, Ramu, Ravi. I will take something like Ravi, Ramu. Next is called Rahul. Next is called 1 minute. Rahul, next is called Raju. Yes, close it. Yeah, Raju. Right, done. So, Raju. Next, CP. CP is equal to Sachin. Next is called Ramu. Yeah, same diagram, huh? Yeah, same. Raju, whatever it is. Whatever I written, I will try to take the same. Yes, next is called Ramu. These are my given elements. Okay, print of TP, print of CP. Okay, find the total players directly. See, S1 dot TP dot union of CP. Union, common elements. Take all the elements by removing duplicates. So it is nothing but what? This is nothing but total players, TOT players, TOTPL is also called one set. So see, please, print of TOTPL, comma, type of TOTPL. I am writing. That is also called set only. Result I am getting in TOTPL. That is also called set. So all the people's names are coming. See, my dear students, Ravi, Kohli, Sachin, Rahul, Ramu, Raju. So now set is called what? 6 elements are only there. But the type of that resultant? Set only. So first query is solved. Find the players' names. Right? Find the players who are playing both tennis and this, etc. Come on, apply. What is that now? Combined players, common players, COMMN, common players is equal to, come on, dear students, TP dot, what is that, ma? Intersection of, what is it? CP. Okay. Print of, I will write here, print of, what is that? Common PL, comma, type of common PL. Okay, common PL. So see that Ramu, Raju are the common players, which is of what type? Set type. This is an intersection of the people. Ramu, Raju, who are both the players. Now I want to take difference. Find the player names who are playing only tennis. TP dot difference of CP. First TP, common elements are removed. Remaining elements from first set will be displayed. Yes, please. Say, coming to the point back. First you see, that is called TP players, tennis players, TPPL, tennis players. Only OTPL, only TPL. Only, if you want, I will write meaningful. Only TPL, tennis players, is equal to TP dot difference of CP TP, okay ma, TP, thank you. TP dot difference of CP. TP dot difference of CP. See, print, what is this now? Only TPL, only TPL, only TPL, comma, type of only TPL. I will write only TPL, only TPL. Yes, see that now? Only TPL. Ravi Rahul. See that? Ravi Rahul. See the Venn diagram. See the Venn diagram. Ravi Rahul. It's only tennis players. Output also. Ravi Rahul. I want to get only cricket players. Only CPL, cricket players. So I will change my set CP.TP, happy. Print off only CPL, cricket players. Only CPL, cricket players. Happy. Sachin Kohli. See that? Sachin Kohli. Simple. Got it. Now I want to print exclusively separate players, not combined players. How? TP, CP. TP, CP only. Exclusively, not combined players. What is it? TP dot symmetric difference. Symmetric underscore difference of what? CP. Yes, you say TP, CP1. Both the ways I will show you. I am writing. See that. TP, CP1 is equal to, comma, type of what? I am saying TP, CP1 of. Very good. Ravi Kohli, Sachin Rahul. Right? You see what is not there? Raju Ramu is not there. In this place, Raju Ramu is not there. Excellent. You can say this part also, okay? TP, CP2, you can write in another way. CP first, TP next. You can write like this also. You will get what? TPC2, right? This is done. Happy. We got the same output. Same output, you got it. Same output, we got it. Dear students, are you perfect in this set operations? Because anywhere else, if you go for it, this type of questioning is compulsory. Dear students, everybody must say to me confirmation. Must say confirmation. Everybody. Yeah. So this data analysis is very, very, very important. So in the data analysis, set operations can be obtained. Right? Good. Coming to the union. Disjoint is over. Union operation I am going to apply. Next function I am going to take 10th. Union operation. See, union operation. Actually, to take any Python student, just to put across these small questions, they don't know not even a single point also. Please tell to ask some people, at least for the sake of KVRs are said in the class, at least you put these questions, basic questions you put, and feel by yourself what is the range of yours and how you are getting it. Provided you must practice. Without practicing, we will also equal to like others only. Right, my dear students, please practice well and see that coming 30 years, now the trending is going on like anything. Trending is going on Python. It is going to come within the 6 months. Only Python language learning and then becoming the Python language developer. Core Python and advanced Python. And it is one of the thing for you. Full stack, if you learn it, full stack data science, it's having more trending career like anything. Most of the data centers are going to start. Even startup companies are also going to come up like anything. So, and if you see the IT things now, it is going to be like anything. So that's why practice well. This is my advice for all of you. Okay, let me start about the syntax. Let me write the direct. This function, yes, this function, yes, ma. This function is used for combining all the elements of all the elements of, or you write first the syntax, you take it because I don't want to give the complex sentence. Set to obj1, set to obj1 dot union of set to obj2, set to obj2. This function is used for combining all the elements of set obj1 and set obj2 by eliminating what? Eliminating what elements? Duplicate elements. Fine. By eliminating duplicate elements. Are you able to understand me? Good. By eliminating duplicate elements. Good. Now example. I will go for union operation. See this. Actually, I want to give all at once, but I want to give you separately. No problem. So I'm giving CP union operation. I want to give it separately. No issue. Separate examples I will give you. Example. So see this. It's not only the strings here. You can apply even numerics also. You can use combined things also. You can apply total numerics as well as that kind of things. Next, another one is going to be 11th is called what? Intersection. And I will write one special case. Here I will write one special case, miracle case I will explain. One miracle case. I am leaving some space for you. Because that was the question in the recent papers. Of course, last year onwards, regularly asking question, special case about the union. Special case about the intersection also I will explain. So let us go to the intersection. Let us look at the syntax. So intersection I am writing. This function is used for obtaining what? Obtaining common elements from set obj1 and set obj2. This function is used for obtaining common elements from set obj1 and set obj2. Right? Now example, common elements only. See the word called common elements. Examples. Let us apply this case. What are those? I will take, this is common. I will take as usual. Yes. So coming to the point of it. Next I am going to apply like this. What is this? Intersection operation I am going to take. Intersection operation. Common elements are retrieved. Right? Done. Next I will go for 12th function I am going to take. What is the 12th function? Difference. Intersection is done. And one special case also I will explain. What is the special case? Just wait. Special case I am going to talk about it. What is the special case here? I will explain. Nothing to worry. Wait for 2 minutes. I will explain. Next is called a difference. Difference. What it is going to give you? Syntax. As usual, I will take the syntax. Fine. Syntax. What is happening here? Difference of what function? I will apply the difference. Instead of union, I will apply what? Difference. Here, sorry, intersection I need to write. Since I copied now, that's why it is available as this. Fine. Intersection, this is called. Intersection. Of what? Intersection of small I. Intersection of set obj, common elements. Here combining all the elements. Right? Difference. What is happening? Set obj1 dot difference of this. What is happening? This function is used for removing common elements from set obj1 and common elements from set obj1 and set obj2, set obj2 and obtains remaining elements. Obtains what elements? Remaining elements from where? Set obj1. In the case of this syntax 1, schema, syntax 1. Set obj1, set obj2. Common elements will be removed and obtains the remaining elements from set obj3. Here I will write set to obj3. Even above also I will write it. Above also I will write it. Here also set obj3 I need to write. Intersection place also set obj3 is equal to. Here also I will write set obj3 is equal to. Set obj3 is equal to. Fine? Right? Or if you face any difficulty, or I will write one more syntax. You want to change? You can. If anybody having set obj3 2 dot. What I will write? 1 also. Same type of thing, explanation, I can write it. Look at. Used for removing the common elements from set obj1, obj2. And what is the first one here? Obj2. Obtains the remaining elements from set obj2. Okay, ma? Is it okay? Clear? Yes. Examples are examples. I will go for examples. Okay. As usual, I will take this kind of thing. As usual, I will take this kind of thing. Yes. I will go for examples part. Yes, here I am having. Yes, look at that. TP. Yes. CP. Yes. Now I'm going to talk about only TPL. Only TPL. That only, na? Yeah. This you take it. Only TPL. Get it? Here I'm going to write it. See. Only TPL. TP dot difference of combined elements removed. Remaining elements from TP only. Ravi as well as what? Rahul. Yes. Which is of which type? Set type. You want to get only CP, only CPL, only this place. I will get that also. Get it? Yes. Out of that, you see this place. Only the CPL. Only cricket players. Yes. Both syntax 1 and syntax 2 as here written, na? Like that, I am writing this. Only TPL, only CPL. I got it. Getting both of them is called symmetric difference. One special case I will tell you guys. One special case. Because this is, some people may be knowing it. But this special case, you are only going to know. If you want, you can ask somebody about this. Fine. Right. Yes, ma. Omkar. Good. Thank you. So, fine. Coming to the point of it, special case, we will go for it. So, union we understand, intersection we understand, difference we understand. Next is called symmetric difference. Symmetric difference, I will go for it. Yeah, symmetric difference, I will talk about it. Symmetric difference. Fine. Symmetric difference, I will go for that. Yes. Sir, what is the symmetric difference? Okay. Syntax, you take it. Syntax, you please. Set to obj1 dot symmetric difference of set to obj2. What do you understand with symmetric difference? The name itself says difference of what? Either set obj1 and set obj2. Symmetric. Both the exclusive elements of set obj1 and set obj2 will be coming. Come on. This function, I will write set obj3 also. Set obj3 is equal to, I got it. Yes, please. This function, this function, what it will do? This function obtains the exclusive elements of set obj1 and set obj2. set obj2, exclusive elements of set obj1 and set obj2 by eliminating what? Common elements. In other words, R, this function eliminates common elements from set obj1 and set obj2 and eliminate set obj1 and set obj2 and extract or obtains remaining elements from set obj1 and set obj2 and place them in set obj3. Excellent. Set obj3. Perfect. Let us go to the point of it. Set difference. So coming to the TP-CPL is equal to that part I will take it. This part I will take it. So I am taking this. Come to the point of it. Come to the point of examples. I will take it. Yes, TP. Got it. CP. Got it. Now I am taking. I got it. Now I will apply. Where it is? TP-CPL. Total cricket players. Symmetric difference. Total TP-CPL. Tennis players and cricket players exclusively. TP-CP2. Only anything is okay. Either you can write the difference of any one. So apply examples. So see that guys. Here I wrote. Of course. See TP minus TP symmetric difference of. Here I wrote CP symmetric difference of TP. Any one of the way you can write it. Same result is coming. Right, done. This is called example. Special case I am writing. Special cases. So I will write. So with this, all functions are over. Coming to the special cases from union onwards. I want to write some special cases. Dear students, see carefully, try to understand. Here, take it, union. Yeah. Let us take once again, rebuild that objects. What is it? So TP. Yeah. TP. Next CP. TP. CP. Done. Now print TP. Yes. Print CP. Got the data. Now both players, both TP as well as CP, both TP as well as this P. How do you apply TP CP, both I will write it. Both TP CP is equal to what we applied? TP dot union of what I am writing? CP. Right? Come on to the point of it. I am printing union applied. Print of both TP, CP, comma, type of both TP, comma, CP. Yeah. Both TP, CP. So it is printing all the things. Okay, that is normal. You already understood. We understood. Next, see the special feature what I want to tell you. Instead of this union operation, I can apply. There is a bitwise operators are there in any language. Of course, you don't feel because of my straightforward point. Nobody knows about the bitwise operators real-time implementations. Nobody knows. That is a damn sure, including you also. Now I am applying one bitwise operator called exclusive operator. That is called a bitwise OR, we can call. Bitwise OR operator. Yes, ma, Omkar, good. Here, this operator is called bitwise OR. That symbol is called what? Bitwise OR. I will explain very shortly. We are coming to what? Bitwise operators I am going to explain. So bitwise operator, one of the real-time implementation. At present, you don't worry about that. I will explain in detail because further classes in this week only you are going to see the operators in detail. So see that print. Now, what is the result we got it? Union operation we can apply what? This bitwise OR operation. See the beautiful result. You got the same answer. See, dear students, same. So bitwise operators are used in where? Set union operations. I am going to explain bitwise operators in the further. Just I am showing you the another variety of union operation with the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators means people will explain what they explain to you. I don't know, but I am explaining its importance of the real world, what we use it. This is a special case example. Special case example regarding the bitwise operators. I will explain to you. I am saying special case, union operation. I got the result. Union operation. I got the result. Yeah, I got the result. Yes. Fine. I got the result. Fine, ma. I got the result. So finally, next what I want to do, I say, okay, set, what I got it. Fine, set, I got it. Next, regarding this, this operator you see, bitwise OR operator. So there also I am saying that, this operator I am using it. Fine. So here I am just saying something like this, dear students, try to understand me carefully. Yes. So this is why I am saying today, because you are getting this type of question. That time you should not feel that what is this operator. That I will explain to you. In the further days it is coming. Further days means in this week only that is going to come. Coming to the special case means this only I am interested to tell you special case. Like that intersection also you come. Right? Fine. Next I will go for special case for what? Intersection. How do you apply? Look at my dear students, all of you. Now say CP, TP here, CP here. Apply directly. What is that? Combined, common players. CPL means what? Common. Okay, you will get again problem. Common CMMN or COMMON. Common PLs is equal to TP dot intersection of what? CP. Intersection of TP. Print off. What is this? Common players. CO, MM, ON, PLs. Common players. Type of course, you already understand that. Common PLs. So, CO, MMN, PLs. Common players. You see, common players are this. Instead of that, you can apply, in place of intersection, you can apply a symbol called what? This one. That is bitwise AND operator, CP. Here I'm writing the symbol called what? Is called bitwise what? AND operator we can call. Bitwise AND. Yes, print the same answer. You got the same answer. Because of this, result is there. Same result. So you got it. The special case I want to tell you is that only. So I'm writing the special case example. I got it. Right? Done. I got it. Done. Nice. Are you understanding the special case, all of you? Are you understanding the special case, please? Fine. Come on, everybody. Good. Nilesh. Are you listening, ma? Are you listening? Nilesh. I'm asking especially the student called Nilesh. Are you listening, ma? Yeah. Nilesh, listen carefully. Yeah, Nilesh Kumar. Yeah, I'm asking because I have seen something different 15 to 20 minutes back. So listen very carefully. So I don't know how many Nilesh are there. Just let me check it once. Okay. Nilesh Gupta, Nilesh Kumar. Two people are there. So I don't know. Just Nilesh I have seen. Some video was on. So listen the subject very carefully. Nilesh Kumar, Nilesh Gupta. Two people are there. So who is that? I don't know. But some video I have seen. Please, Nilesh Kumar. Okay. Please take care, ma. Learn well. This is my advice. Yeah. This is my advice. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Fine. Come on to the point back. Yeah. Let us come back. Difference. Now you come to difference. So this is a symbol I used it. So come to the difference. Difference is nothing but, special case is nothing but, special case I am using it. Special case. Look at. Nilesh, don't feel, ma. You are my student now. That's why I said to you. Right? Right. Come on to the point. Fine. What is that now I want to? Okay, ma, Nilesh, no problem. But it's my advice. Right? Don't worry. Now coming to the point of it. Right. Okay. Now I'm saying only TP. Only TP is equal to TP dot difference of CP. Yeah. Print. What is it? Only TP. I'm writing only TP. Yes, enough. Now only CP. CP dot. This is called a TP. Okay, I got it. Print only CP. Okay, got it. Fine. Next, only TP is equal to CP minus or TP minus. First one, only TP. TP minus CP. The operator called minus is called arithmetic minus operator. Right, minus operator, generally people will think that numerical operations, subtractions only. But we are using in our case, which one you are using? Which one we are using to use? Difference of sets also. Print what, ma? Only? Okay, only TP. Yes, same answer. Whatever the difference you got it, same answer I got it. Next, I will apply. What is that? Only CP. I will apply. Yeah, I will apply. Look at ma. Only CP. CP dot TP. You say here what? Only CP. Yes, I got it. Yes. So this is called minus operator. Arithmetic minus operator. Yeah, operators also I will explain like anything, which you might not be heard about in your previous scenarios. I will explain like it because everything new with how to use it, how to make use of it, all those things. Right? So this is done. What is this operator, ma? What is this operator? Minus. Arithmetic minus operator. So minus operator. I am using minus operator. Okay. Last one I am using symmetric difference special case. Yes, ma. Nitin, thank you, ma. So next, the special case of what? Symmetric difference. You ask these questions to any of the student and try to tell them that is called old knowledge. New knowledge in the sense deep knowledge. It is deep knowledge is always power. Subject is power, Coming to the special case, that is, these players I want to take it. What is this? Take it. Of course, you are coming to this point. Yeah, let us coming to TP as well as this one. Now you apply. What is that apply? Now you take. What is that? Both only there is TP CPL only. CP TPL. Tennis players, cricket players only. What is that? TP dot symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric underscore difference. Difference of what? CP. Of CP. Yes. Okay. Print that. Print that. That is TP CPL. CPL. Answer is like this. You can say, my dear students, this is, you can say CP, change it under TP. TP. You got the same answer of same answer. Okay. You applied, changed this. Right? Fine. Now you apply. TP CPL is equal to CP or TP first. Exclusive OR operator. Exclusive OR operator. CP. Because these are the very important. Here, the symbol called this one is called bitwise XOR, exclusive OR operator. I will explain in detail. I will explain how it is internally working also. Even if you forget, I will take this situation. I will explain, because in the operators, I need to tell you the real-time implementation where I will apply and all. Okay. Right. Print TP CPL. Same answer like this. Same answer. Next you write. Here I will write CP. Change this CP as well as TP. Yes. Print that. Same answer. Like this. I got the same answer. This is called special cases of what? Special cases of what? Yes. Special cases. Symmetric difference, what I got it. Same thing I am getting with the bitwise exclusive OR operator also. Exclusive OR operator also I got it. Yes, dear students, this is called special cases of what? Are our set. Right. Dear students, are you perfect in set? Are you perfect in additional operations of set? Additional operations on set. Are you perfect? Good. Very good. Now, right. Thank you, Ma. Thank you for your compliments. Right. Let us move to the, this is what operation, what is this is called? Thank you, Ma. Thank you. But if you remember all these things, it is really a written gift for me. If you remember this and if you try to perform well, that is written gift for me. Fine. So nicely done. And all these things you practice it and then do well and learn the functions. Do by practice. How I wrote, all functions I wrote one by one. You also use it. Try to practice it. If you practice on your own without seeing the book with functions and everything, that day you are perfect. That day you are perfect. It's nice. So let us go to the, let me open my dear students once. Set I am opening. How many types of sets, ma? Set data type used to store multiple values of what? Either same type or different type, and both the types with what values? Unique values. Unique values. Right? Yes, ma. Abhishek, JavaScript is very, very simple, ma. Nothing else is there. Earlier I used to teach, but I left it. JavaScript, CSS, HTML, jQuery, Node.js, they are all very, very simple, because I left it, because I entered into because from the beginning onwards, I am in the coding part. So I like most coding part. Most coding, I like it. That's why I left that part of scripting, all those things. So I just used to deal with the bigger areas like Python and Java related. C language is simple, what is there? Yeah, anything we learn, we should be perfect in that area. I used to teach C with data structures, C with algorithms. Yeah, Django also, it's my one more area of expertism. Yeah. Yes, Rohit, that's what you Data structures with algorithms. C with data structures along with algorithms. That is a royal subject in computer science actually. Okay. Even that was my research area also. It's my PhD in the data structures and algorithms. That's my PhD area. Okay. Anyhow, next is called what? Frozen set. I want to go for it. Frozen set. Dear students, first is set is clear. Yeah, Django also I will teach man. Django also we used to teach like anything. That is very, you can understand. My Python student can understand Django like anything. If permits, we will start one Django batch. If the one teach one, we will start one Django batch. We will intimate to you. Yes, ma, Chandrasekhar. Chandra, yes, ma, that is also there. Once we know Python well, we can do like anything. Okay, right. Let me start the frozen set. Let me start the frozen set. Yeah. Now I'm going to start frozen set. I'm going to talk frozen set. Yes, ma. Look at that frozen set. Now, frozen set. Today or tomorrow? Now it is 7:40. Today or tomorrow? Today or tomorrow, na? Yes, ma. Yeah, Suresh. Yes, ma. Yes. Definitely, we will intimate to you. When Django, my batch will start, definitely we will intimate. Okay, Omkar. Tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, today, tomorrow. Okay, your wish, sir. Okay, keeping on the shoulders of sir. Okay, yes, ma, Omkar. That so many courses are there, but slots are only six slots. Okay, ma. Right. Shall we start tomorrow? All of you. Shall we start tomorrow? Yeah. Okay. So we will start tomorrow this project. Don't miss, ma. So frozen set will take less time. And I will introduce immediately. Dictionary I will introduce. Don't miss it. Very, very important. Dear students, please practice. Please practice. It is my sincere advice to all of you. Please practice. 2 hours you practice. Spend on 2 hours of my subject. Yes. Yes, ma. We will as early as possible. We will go for Django. One Django batch we will start. Okay, na? Definitely. Okay. Thank you. Good day. Rohit, what, ma? Yes, ma. We will intimate, ma. Rohit, I will intimate to you. Okay? We will intimate. Yes, ma. Yeah, Ramesh, tell me, ma. Ramesh, tell me. Sir, I don't know other languages. Can I get job with? Yes, 100%, ma. Ramesh. No need to worry. You can get it. 100%. This what you are doing is right track. You can get it. There is no doubt in that. Practice well. It's my advice. Okay? Right. Ramesh. Yes, ma. Thank you. Right. Good. So tomorrow class we'll go for frozen set. All the best. Thank you.